Geography class 12th NCERT chapter number 12 migration types, causes and consequences. First heading migration. Census of India records population and migration related data of the country. Many modifications in data related to migration has been done from the first census in 1881 to 1981 as here is a chart census year from 1881 to 1961. Modification in data collection migration. Place of birth 1961. Place of birth in bracket village comma town and duration of residence 1971. Place of last residence and duration of stay at the place of enumeration 1961. Reasons for migration 1981. Reasons for migration. A person who moves from one place to another in order to find work or better living conditions is known as migrant. There are two types of migrants on the basis of enumeration of census. First, lifetime migrant. If a person's place of birth is different from the place of census enumeration, then he is known as lifetime migrants. As per census 2001, this group reported 307 million persons in bracket 30%, and as per 2011 this group reported 36.7%. Second point, migrant by place of last residence. If a person's place of last residence is different from the place of enumeration, then he is known as migrant by place of last residence. As per census 2001, this group reported 321 million migrants in bracket 31% according to 2011 census. 5.37 or 5.36 euro 5.36 crore migrants in bracket 37% and settled in place different from their last residence. Heading streams of or types of migration. In general, there are two types of migration. Internal migration. It refers to the movement of people within a country or nation. This can be intra-state and interstate migration. There are four streams of migration identified under the internal migration. First, rural to rural. Second, rural to urban. Third, urban to urban. Fourth, urban to rural. Women migrants are highest in both intrastates and interstate migration. Short distance rural to rural migration stream because of their marriage, whereas male migrants are highest in rural to urban streams of interstate migration due to the economic reasons. Heading international migration. It refers to the movement of people out of the country or out of the geopolitical border. India experiences the large number of international migration, mostly from neighboring countries. As per census 2001, there were more than 5 million persons reported from other countries in India. Out of 96% came from the neighboring countries as Bangladesh 3 million, Pakistan 0.9 million, Nepal 0.5 million. Heading is immigration. The action of coming to live permanently in a foreign country. There were 0.16 million refugees from Tibet, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran and Myanmar. Immigration. Apart from this immigration, India also experiences huge immigration. Immigration is the act of leaving one's one's own country to settle permanently in another country. As per Census 2001, around 20 million people of Indian diaspora are spread across 110 countries. Heading Spatial variation in migration. In India, there is an in India there is an even in India there is an uneven spatial variation in migration in terms of inter in migration and out migration. Heading states receiving high number of in migrants. Maharashtra is the largest migrants receiving state in bracket 2.3 million. Besides this, Delhi, Gujarat, Haryana and other urbanized areas attract high number of migrants. Heading states with high out migrants. Uttar Pradesh in bracket minus 2.6 million. Bihar in bracket minus 1.7 million. And some other backward states have largest number of net out. Urban agglomerations are largely expanding because of high intra-state immigration. For example, Greater Mumbai received the highest number of migrants. Heading causes of migration. The reasons causes of migration can be put under two categories. Heading point for push factor. These are factors which argues people to leave their place of residence or origin. Some of them are as follows. First, natural disaster like flood, drought, cyclone, storms, earthquakes, tsunami, etc. Second, political, local conflicts like war, riots. Third, poverty, lack of employment opportunities. Fourth, high population pressure on the land. Fifth, lack of basic infrastructural facilities like healthcare, education, etc. Next point, pull factors. These refers to factors which attract the people from different places. Some of them are as follows. First, better opportunities for education. Second, better health facilities. Third, source of entertainment. Fourth, according to an estimation, about 38% males migrate for work and employment, whereas only 3% female migrate for the same reason. In bracket, but according to the census 2011, there is a downfall of 4.2% as compared to 2001 census. Fifth, about 65%, in bracket 69.7% according to 2011 census, bracket close, of a women migrate because of marriage, whereas only 2% males migrate for the same reason. This migration of males in bracket marriage is higher in Meghalaya. Heading consequences of migration. Migration is a consequence of the uneven distribution of opportunities over space. People tend to move from place of low opportunities and low safety to the place of higher opportunity and better safety. Results can be observed in an economic, social, cultural, political and demographic terms. Heading economic consequences. These consequences are positive as well as negative. First, positive. Remittances are important for economy of a country, as migrants send remittances to their family members for food, repayment of loans, public debts, treatment, marriages, children's education, agricultural inputs, construction of houses, etc. Green revolution in the rural areas of Punjab, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh was a success because of the migrants from rural areas of Western Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Meghalaya and Odisha. Heading negative. Overcrowding due to unregulated migration. Development of unhygienic slums in industrially developed states like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Delhi. Heading demographic consequences. These consequences can be both positive or negative. First point positive. Redistributing of population within a country. The process of urbanization is dependent on rural-urban migration. Next point negative. Imbalance in demographic structure. Age and skill selective out migration created an imbalance in demographic structure of rural areas. Age and sex composition is seriously affected in states of Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Meghalaya and Eastern Maharashtra due to migration. The same situation happens in the